Hello, this is Christy, your Amazon SEO and PPC specialist. Now let's discuss the basic of Amazon PPC. So let's first, what is Amazon PPC or the pay per click? So it is also known as sponsored ads. So advertisers only pay for clicks. So when your PPC campaign is optimized well, it will boost your product's visibility and improve sales. So this will eventually increase your organic traffic and drive more customers to your Amazon listing. So how does Amazon PPC work? Amazon PPC had an auction format like most ad campaigns. So advertisers submit their bids for certain keywords and compete against each other for prime ad spots. When a shopper searches that keyword, Amazon compiles all the ads that are relevant to the term. The ad with the highest bid wins the auction and gets displayed to the shopper. When the shopper clicks the ad, the winning advertiser pays the second highest bid. Amazon's second price strategy is good for business as it allows you to target the highest bid position without necessarily paying the highest bid price. So let's discuss the Amazon basic advertising terms. We have impressions, budget, bids, clicks, spend, ad sales, advertising cost of sales or ACoS, the target ACoS, return on ad spend or the ROAS, click-through rate, the CTR, the conversion rate, the CVR, and the cost per click, the CPC. And there's a lot more, but we will just discuss the 12 of these basic advertising terms. First is the impressions. So it is the number of times your ad is shown on a search results page or to the shoppers. Next is budget. It is the maximum amount of money that can be spent on a campaign. Bids, the amount that an advertiser will willing to pay for each click. Then clicks. So click is just the measurement of the number of times your PPC ads have been clicked by shoppers. Next is spend. It tracks the amount of money your campaign has already spent for any selected time frame. Next is ad sales, so known as the PPC sales. It is the metric that tracks the amount of sales generated by your campaigns. So advertising cost of sales or the ACoS. So it is a metric used to measure performance, efficiency, and profitability of sponsored products ad campaigns. So the formula of ACoS is the total ad spend over the total sales or the PPC times 100. That will be our ACoS. Next is the target ACoS or the TACoS. So refers to advertising spend relative to the total revenue generated while including organic revenue. So the formula of TACoS is the total ad spend and the total sale of PPC and organic times 100. That will be our TACoS. Next is return on ad spend or the ROAS. It is a prominent benchmark across digital advertising, so ROAS is the inverse of ACoS. Instead of measuring the cost of sale, ROAS represent the dollars earned per dollar spent. So the formula of ROAS is the ad sale over the ad spend. That will be our ROAS. So ROAS is the higher the better. Next is click-through rate or the CTR. It is the percentage of ad impressions that are clicked based on the number of impressions your ad has accumulated. So the formula is click over impression. That will be the CTR. Next is the conversion rate or the CVR. It is the percentage of orders that your advertising campaign ends or have gained over the number of clicks. So the formula is orders over clicks. That will be the CVR. Next is the cost per click. or the CPC. This is for when you're getting clicks and accruing costs, but you want to see an average of how much each click is costing. So the formula of CPC is the cost over clicks. So that will be the CPC. Now let's discuss the three types of campaigns. We do have the sponsored product, the sponsor brands, and the sponsor display. First is the sponsored product. So it promotes products to shoppers actively searching the related keywords or viewing similar products on Amazon. Example, this is the sponsored product. It is where we can find the sponsored products. This one. Next is the sponsored brands. It is a PPC ad designed to increase visibility of your brand among customer shoppers for products like yours. For example, this one. It is the sponsored brands. It is where we can find the sponsored brands. Next is the sponsored display. So grow your business by reaching relevant audience on and off Amazon. Example, this one. So now we're done with campaigns. So let's discuss the two types of targeting strategies. So we do have the automatic targeting. So the easier targeting method. The automatic strategy involves targeting keyword that Amazon algorithm determines are related to your product listing. Next is manual targeting. It involves hand selecting the keywords you want to bid on, and you will need to monitor changes in cost and make adjustments where applicable. Now let's discuss the three keyword match type. The exact match. It is when a customer searches for your product. Its search term needs to be exact like your keyword for the ad to show in the search. If the customer searches for keyword before or after your exact keyword, your ad will not show in the search term. Next is the phrase match. It is when a customer searches for your exact keyword among a sequence of words. This match type will help you broaden your keyword range and increase your ad reach. Next is the broad match. It reaches a larger audience and has a broader range of search terms. With this type, your ad may appear for a search term that contains all the keyword variation, such as acronyms, plural forms, synonyms, misspellings, etc. Now, let's discuss the negative targeting. So what is negative targeting in Amazon? So negative product targeting is a feature of Amazon that prevents your ads from displaying when the search term matches your negative product selection, a negative keyword. So by choosing a list of brands and products that you wish to exclude, you can keep your ad relevant to your visiting shoppers, saving on your advertising cost of sale or the A cost. Now, let's discuss the three types of negative targeting. Negative product targeting, negative exact, and the negative phrase. So first is the negative product targeting. So sellers can now block irrelevant products. It is where you enter the ASINs or the product you want to block and you're ready to launch your campaign. So it is applicable to auto campaigns. Next is a negative exact. Search queries that exactly match the target keyword or a close version of it, including plurals. Next is the negative phrase. So negative phrase, it is the match type prevent ads from appearing for search phrases that are in the same order or a close version, including plurals and slight misspelling. So why use negative product targeting? So it prevents advertising irrelevant searches. Second, don't be associated with the wrong brands. Third, it will make sure that your ad isn't promoting your competitor. So now you should have a clear understanding about Amazon PPC. See you in our next video.